Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red line annotation there is coming from, and that definitely is playing a vital role now going forward. Not necessarily an update, because I've talked about it before, but definitely confirmation would be an accurate term. Confirmation of what? That this 255-ish area really is going to be a stubborn area of resistance. In fact, the final 30 minutes, you can see nice surge in volume, and then the price got right up around that area, and that's also right where it got rejected. But it's kind of a double, not kind of, it is a double whammy right now, because not only do you have this 255 red line, but you also have the purple line right there, the 50-period moving average, which also just happens to be valued at 255 right now. So you have these two areas that have converged upon one another, and while I'm not saying 255 can't be broken, I'm just saying it makes very good sense why the price was not able to get that breakout during the last 30 minutes of the day. So 255, definitely very, very important level to watch going forward, along with that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. But as of right now, like I said, going into Friday morning, remember markets are closed on Thursday for Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving. But right there at 255, a whole lot of people are going to be watching this area, so this is not some sort of like great discovery on my part. I assure you, anybody that uses charts, understands charts, is watching the same level, and I bring all that up because when a lot of eyeballs are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic price movements, and that's definitely what's going on with the 255 mark. As far as levels of support are concerned, ideal level that you want to see hold now going forward is right there at 243. Why so? Well, nothing fancy other than the fact that if the price were to go down a hair and then just continue on down, at that point, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas if it can at least hold above 243, that would show some signs of progress. But all in all, nice movement today. A little bit of a bummer that I couldn't get the breakout right there. But like I said, when you look and consider where these levels of resistance just happen to converge, makes sense why the price struggled. But let's see what Friday brings. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.